Buongiorno and welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. देखिए बुongiorno का इटालियन में मतलब होता है गुड मॉर्निंग और ये मैंने तब सीखा था जब हम वीकेंड आउट का स्पेशल एपिसोड करने गए थे इटली. अब एक बार मैं इटली गया था और इस बार कई सारे इटालियन शेफ्स इटली से दुबई आए थे. अब कई सारे से मेरा मतलब नॉट वन नॉट टू, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 40 मिशेलिन स्टार मास्टर शेफ्स कमिंग इन फ्रॉम इटली एंड ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. और ये सारे यहाँ पर आए थे फॉर द इटालियन क्विजीन वर्ल्ड समिट. अब जब शेफ्स और क्विजीन की बात चल रही तो आपको बता दूं अबाउट द मोस्ट पॉपुलर इटालियन फूड कॉल्ड पिज्जा. Now this word actually originated in 997 AD in a city called Gaeta in Italy. अब पिज्जा जो है actually means pie. So this used to be a sweet dish पहले. उसके बाद of course उसमें टमेटो सॉस और मोज़रेला डलना जब शुरू हुआ तो उसके बाद it has taken the form that we eat it in today. अब मैं आपको ये सब इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि जो इटालियन शेफ्स आए थे उन्होंने यहाँ दुबई में कई सारे लोगों को पिज्जा सही तरीके से बनाना सिखाया. ये हुआ है तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि आप भी एक बार देख ही लीजिए. The 6th annual Italian Cuisine World Summit made its debut in Dubai after 4 years in Hong Kong. The summit was considered as one of the world's most influential Italian food and lifestyle events. It thrilled food lovers as it showcased, promoted, and educated people about traditional Italian cuisine and ingredients.
The whole idea of the Italian Cuisine World Summit is just to put together the best chefs of Italy together with the best Italian restaurants around the world. The idea is to celebrate Italian cuisine, Italian best restaurants in town, and to give a chance to the food lovers to learn about Italian cuisine, but at the same time we want to celebrate Dubai as a world food capital.
The event until 2 years ago was always held in Hong Kong. Now we've been coming to Dubai and we believe that this is another event that makes Dubai really a cooking capital.
As Italian Chamber of Commerce to the UAE, our main mission it is to foster the business growth. And now Italy has exported 4.5 billion euro to the UAE, which making UAE the seventh country in the world as an export market for Italy.
During the summit, many Michelin-starred chefs cooked as guest chefs in some of Dubai's finest Italian restaurants.
The Italian cuisine is one of the most popular cuisine in the world. Popular because it's very easy to do, it's very easy to eat, and it's not very expensive. So that's why everybody knows at least one dish of Italian cuisine.
Within the calendar of the Chef Summit, we arranged a lesson for the students of the Emirates Academy of Hospitality Management, which is a milestone here in the country in the promotion of the food in the country.
Among the events held during the summit was the Pizza Grande Food Show, which featured music, entertainment, food tastings, the best pizza in the UAE competition, the best espresso in the UAE competition, and the Risotto World competition.
We use the San Marzano pomodoro from the Consorzio, so we use the best quality of the flour. That's the main important, the top secret we use in the Italian cuisine.
We import Italian products, specialized high-end gourmet products. We believe in strong synergies with our suppliers, producer, and we bring the best quality products, starting from dry products to dairy products to halal products. There is high demand in the UAE for good quality products.
The objective of this summit was to present the quality and variety of Italian cuisine. The summit was also a celebration of Dubai, which is set to become a gastronomy world capital. So there are two things that impressed me most about Italians. One, of course, was Italian food, and the other was the fashion sense of Italians. Now, I have to admit this also, that the fashion sense of people staying in Dubai is also quite high and unique. In fact, I'm going to take you to an event where a few fashion brands joined hands to give Dubai its latest dose of fashion. Fashion High Tea is the brainchild of players of the fashion industry like Barkha Shevak-Ramani, the founder of Drama Queen, Chetan Shastri, CEO of Amishi London, and a few others. Barkha has taken her trendy fashion label to the international fashion fraternity with its uber stylish and affordable creations. No stranger to celebrities, Drama Queen has charmed the niche market of the Middle East society, including socialites and even Bollywood personalities.
Actually, this season I've done a creative collaboration with the artist Kanika Kapoor. So it's both our creative energies collaborated into one, and it's a fun collection. Yeah, keeping the party season in mind.
Chetna supplies to over 200 stores in Europe, some of which include Harrods, Fenwicks, and Harry Nichols.
Amishi in Sanskrit, an ancient language, means pure. Pure beauty, pure innocence, pure design. And that's what Amishi is all about. A distinct favorite among the royal family and royal family members like Princess Eugenie and Princess Beatrice, and also Hollywood film stars like Kesha and Miley Cyrus, to name a few. Amishi is all set to launch in Dubai.
It's time for us to now take a short break, and break के बाद जब हम वापस आएंगे तो मैं और आप मिलकर बढ़िया सा खाना खाएंगे.